The U.S. Agency for International Development Bureau for Global Health Fellowship Program, Global Health Fellows Program 2, serves a higher public purpose by providing increased access to careers in global health for underrepresented communities. GloMed supports the Global Health Fellows Program 2 to build a diverse global health career pipeline by connecting underrepresented undergraduate students with opportunities to work in global health. The Global Health Fellows Program 2 has supported GloMed to grow our programs to 10 minority-serving institutions, including Spelman College and Morehouse College, to historically Black colleges in the Atlanta University Center.
So, since a child, I've always told my mother, I'm going to be Dr. Wilkerson, Dr. this. And as I grew up, seeing different health disparities not only in my family, but in those around me, kind of sparked my interest in health. I founded GloMed at Spelman because I have a passion towards social justice and community service. I wanted to bring something to Spelman and Morehouse and the Atlanta University Center that was geared towards something that wasn't strictly academics. I think GloMed offers students to have a way to know that they're making sustainable, intentional impact in another community. I think that it gets students excited, it gets students thinking that they're able and that they can have impact in another community.
GloMed at Spelman and GloMed at Morehouse work together with Life for Children to provide sexual assault prevention programming and support to the children in Kumasi, Ghana. What we do is we do sexual assault workshops with them in the primary schools, and we want the children to know that the taboo that's out there in Kumasi as far as it being a child's fault when they're sexually abused, we want them to know that that's completely false.
As part of their partnership, every summer, the students from GloMed at Spelman and Morehouse intern on site with their partner organization, Life for Children. This internship, supported by the Global Health Fellows Program 2, gives the students the skills and experience to help them prepare for future careers in global health.
When I came back to Spelman, I changed my major to sociology and anthropology, and I'll attribute a lot of that to being on GROW. I've always known that I want to go into global health some way or somehow, but I think now I've kind of narrowed that to like doing research and like doing graduate research about what kind of organizations exist for global health and like improvements that can be made. I think that generally there's a lot of students who are interested in doing global health work, but because people don't have the funding for it, it becomes a barrier. So I think that GHFP2 funding is very important for people who are considering it or people who are very passionate about global health but otherwise wouldn't have the opportunity to do it. What GloMed model in general just really promotes the idea of grassroots and being engaged with the community, listening, cooperating with the community that you're helping.
For GloMed, we know they are part of Life for Children. For GloMed, we know they are part of Life. That is why when we account for any project, we ask them to help us to develop the project. And we know we are partners. You see, by GloMed, at least we know the sustainability is there. And we know that our part, we do what we are supposed to do to make it stick and tick. You see, yes. So that is why we involve them in our project, in the design and everything.
Through GloMed and the Global Health Fellows Program 2, the U.S. Agency for International Development Bureau for Global Health is developing a new generation of diverse, empathetic, and culturally competent leaders in global health.